Hey y'all, this is the very nice guy I met here who is telling us a recipe of how to make a cobbler, right?
Yeah, any kind of cobbler. Apple, cherry.
Yeah, okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, you take 1 cup of berries.
1 cup of berries.
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of milk.
Okay.
1 cup of flour.
Okay.
Mix the sugar, flour, and the milk together. Make your batter.
Okay.
Put a stick of butter in your pan, like so.
No.
All right.
The whole stick of butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cover your whole pan.
Okay.
Put just a little thin layer of your batter, right?
Yeah.
Just put your berries in there.
Okay.
Put the rest of your batter in there. Put it in the oven for 350 degrees. You got it.
No.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it. And the best way to eat it,
yeah.
Of course, you know, with ice cream, right?
Of course.
Or Miracle Whip.
Uh-huh.
But most people take cream.
Yeah.
Put over it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Now, one more thing. You are a coal miner, right?
37.5 years underground. I've seen it all. Water come in. I've seen it blow up. I've seen it fall in. I've seen everything you can think about.
God bless you.
Yeah. I got killed a couple times, but the Lord's with me. Hear me?
Amen.
And I was a maintenance foreman and chief.
Really?
Yeah. I worked at high voltage, all the power, substations, done it all.
Now, can you just tell me what your name is?
Chuck Hall.
Chuck, nice to meet you. My name is Ingrid.
Good.
Did I tell you that my father was a coal miner in Germany?
You said you got covered up a few times.
That's right.
I know what we went through. I've been in coal this high.
Yeah.
And 12 feet high.
Amen.
This is the best height.
Okay.
Duck walk, you know. They call it duck walking.
Okay.
And I've crawled a lot too.
Okay.
And I've been underground without coming out, right?
Yeah.
33 hours.
Gee.
No light. Underground, 33 hours. To work on the miners, they know how to fix them. You know, big ripper heads.
Yeah.
And I'll put them together. You know, I had to tell them to do this. You get like you're in a zombie.
Jesus.
Then you come out of it.
Yeah.
They bring you food in, you know.
Yeah.
Another time I was in 27 hours.
Gee.
Working on something. That's what I've done all my life, work. God's been so good to me. It's unreal, hear me?
Yes.
I'm just blessed, man.
I hear you. I hear you. All right, I have to go. I have to find my husband.
I hear you.